ton of great music left from all the great artists at Waterfest. If you've never heard this one, we hope you like it. Again, we're Virgin Mary Pistol Group. We got merch back there. We're going to be around all night. Come say hello. Call, give me a reason.
Speaking with?
Jails.
Jails. What's your band name?
My band's name is Virgin Mary Pistol Group.
Yeah, go check them out here. Oh no, I can't get their link. Wait, here, yeah, let me just. Here you go. There's the link right there to everything. And what made you want to be make a band?
Well, when I was in college, I was playing baseball, and then the coach basically said, "You're really not that good anymore." So I kind of was like, "Well, I kind of want to do something else with my life." And a friend of mine played guitar, and he goes, "Try it." And I tried it, and he goes, "Wow, you're pretty good." And I'm like, "I've never tried it," so it came very easy. And then I bought a guitar and started writing songs.
All right. And why did you pick your band members?
Well, my guitarist Wyatt, he was in another band, and he really liked my band at the time. We had a different guitarist, and so when that guitarist at the time had to do something else, didn't really want to do the music thing anymore, I called up the one guy I knew who loved our music, so I wanted him to work with us, and he said sure.
Yeah. And how did you come up with like the design and the name?
Okay, so the band name is based off of an old spaghetti western, which is just an old western movie. Maybe your grandpa watches, maybe your dad. Just kidding. But it's where the pistol would have a Virgin Mary on it, and they thought it would protect them from evil. So there's some deep thoughts on that. But besides that, yeah.
All right. And when did you become a band?
In 2013.
Wow.
Yeah, so 13 years ago already.
That's crazy.
Right.
And what's your most popular song?
Our most popular song is "Give Me a Reason."
That's a good song. I liked that one.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah. And I have a final question for you.
All right, let's hear it.
I forgot it. Wait. Let me rethink it.
Okay. You got to build it up. You got to build up the last question.
Oh yeah. So how did you make your merch, and how'd you come up with the design of like the shirts and the dragonfly and stuff like that?
So actually, it's a great question. My dad actually drew the dragonfly.
Ooh.
And then my wife took the design and cleaned it up a little bit, and then we made it a t-shirt. Yeah, so that's kind of how all of our designs work. I either draw it, my wife draws it, some other band members were like, hey, I have an idea, so kind of all collaborate.
Yeah. Well, anyways, thank you for the question and answer.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Have a good night.
You too.